The lack of automation in the industry creates a number of challenges, from misunderstanding specific needs to difficulty in selecting the right technology. The integration of legacy systems becomes a complex puzzle, while resistance to change and the absence of safety standards add additional hurdles. High upfront costs and complexity in configuration and maintenance can be overwhelming, exacerbated by insufficient technical support and lack of interoperability between devices. This lack of adaptability to future changes limits efficiency and innovation, leaving the industry lagging behind in an increasingly automated and technologically advanced world. At Imago 3DG, we explore the advantages of automation in organizations. With exhaustive analysis of processes and customer needs, we evaluate technologies considering scalability and long-term cost, developing integration strategies for seamless communication between existing and new systems. We provide training and change management for successful adoption. Along with robust security measures, we perform ROI analysis, design modular and scalable systems, and establish relationships with reliable vendors. We use open communication standards and compatible protocols, and design flexible and adaptable systems to evolve with business and home needs, using technologies such as cloud and IoT. Contact us today to find out how we've successfully automate and control production lines in previous success stories and how we can do the same for you. Automate and control your productive lines with Imago 3DG.